Cruising Classics, and today we're doing a walk around on this 57 Chevy Sedan delivery. Show quality paint and body, show quality chrome and stainless interior. Impeccable build. Underneath of it is painted body color and as slick as the top. It's got a 350 Chevy under the hood, backed by a 4-speed Muncie manual. Beautiful body gaps, mirror finish. Even up top is absolutely stunning. Inside you'll see the aftermarket gauges, a smaller OE style steering wheel, that way it's not so in your face while you're driving. 4-speed manual, beautiful bucket seats, completely custom interior. Aftermarket wheels and tires to make it look a little more pro-touring. It's got power rack and pinion steering, vintage air. Just look at that chrome. I said every inch of this car has been touched, every nut and bolt. If you have any questions, give us a call at 614-276-7355. We work with multiple financing companies as well as many shippers. If you're down the road across the country or overseas, we can get this car to your door. Not many sedan deliveries out there anymore, guys, let alone in this condition. Again, the number is 614-276-7355. If I've got an answer, I'll gladly give it to you. Now let's take this old girl for a drive and see what it's all about. Steering, power brakes, disc brakes, AC, all the goodies. Runs excellent, shifts excellent, got plenty of power. Cruising about 45 miles an hour right at 2300 RPMs. Car doesn't track all over the road. Turn signals function. Drove him around a little bit before we got into the video, and it's running about 185 degrees. Currently about 65 pounds of oil pressure. Charging at 14 volts. Very fun car to drive. Not a whole lot of 4-speed 57s out there, let alone a 57 sedan delivery. This car steers, stops, rides excellent. Beautiful interior. These bucket seats are comfortable as can be. Sounds great. Tracks great. Like I said, doesn't pull all over the road. Over some bumps. Don't hear a ton of rattling. Surprisingly pretty airtight. I don't hear a whole lot of wind noise. cruisingclassicsinc.com. You can see the pictures of the underside of it, and it's just as slick as the top. This car does have a power hood on it. Show you a little more of that here in a few. Turn signals work great. Steer's super easy. Accelerates absolutely great. Interior is beautiful in this car. It's a nice tan, beige if you will. Interior, power windows, killer sound system. Running still about 165, 170 degrees. Once you're moving a little bit, it starts to cool down. Sitting here at the lights, not going up. Only 1,400 miles on this build since completion. Accelerates great. When you look at the interior, you will notice a 57 style steering wheel. Kind of looks like a 57 steering wheel, but it's much smaller. And that's nice for those guys that are tall. A little over 6 foot tall. I fit in the car extremely well. Tons of leg room. If I put the seat all the way back, heck, I can barely reach the pedals. So let's go to the showroom. Put this up on the lift and we'll get you some better shots of the underside. And if you have any questions, give us a call. 614-276-7355. If you want to finance, we have multiple companies that can hook you up. Whether you live down the road, across the country, or overseas, we can get you hooked up with a shipping company that'll get this car to your door. Once again, that's 614-276-7355.